So it's a liquid lip gloss. I can't speak it all today, guys, so just like bear with me. Hey loves, so today we're going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription. My box looks a little crazy right now. It came all busted in a little bit, but that's okay. I have opened up this box. I've actually used a couple of things. I didn't use them on my face today, but I used them in a past tutorial, so I will, if that one's already up, I'll link it below. If not, it'll be up soon. Newest first impression tutorial, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you subscribe because it'll be up soon. And while we're at it, before we jump into this Boxycharm unboxing, please subscribe if you have not already. Please hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Right now we are uploading at 12 p.m. Pacific time. All right, so we are just gonna jump in. All right, so there are a couple really cool things in this box. I do have the little card that comes with it. The theme is Boxy Bash, and on the back it talks about each product in this box, and we're just gonna go through and talk about them. And since I've used a couple of them, I can give you my input, my thoughts, all that stuff. The first item on here is the Pure, I always want to say purr, but it's Pure Sculptor Palette. It came in this. This guy retails for $30, so this is definitely a pricey item in the box. It comes with a little mirror. As you guys can see, I have used this guy a little bit. This is a really deep palette for me. I am super fair skinned, so I didn't even use the highlighters. I will swatch all of these for you right now. But the sculpting shades were definitely too dark for my skin tone. They were really pretty, but on my skin, they looked a little muddy. I had a little difficulty blending them out because they are so dark. So I feel like if you have medium skin, like that's a very, these are pretty deep. They're very soft, don't get me wrong. They're very soft. They feel really nice. I definitely have a highlighter swatched on my hand. They were just too deep for me, and the tone wasn't really what I go for. But if you, again, if you have medium or even just light skin and not super fair skin, so there are finger swatches, but they are super pigmented. And I think that was actually more of the problem, is that for me being so fair, they were too pigmented. So those are swatches of these. Of course, just use a super light hand. I think that highlighter, this one, look at how much product is still on my fingertip. That guy I think could work for me. I just haven't tried it on my face yet, and now I have so much highlighter on, I'm probably not going to try it on. But this is a really nice palette. If there were shades that would work for me, I'd be super excited, but I just, sadly, this won't work for me personally. That's the only reason why I'm not super ecstatic about it. I love Pure Cosmetics. I love Pure products. This is just too dark for me, but I will gift it to someone that will really enjoy it. So the next thing is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. As you guys, most of you know that have been here a while on my channel, I'm obsessed with the mattifying one for my nose area, so I'm really excited to try this blurring one for the rest of my face. This guy retails for $38. That's a full-size primer. I really love Cover FX. They're cruelty-free. All of the products that I have tried from Cover FX, I have really enjoyed. So I'm really excited to try this guy. I'm so excited this is in the box. I really love that they've been putting, like, there's been a few Cover FX products, haven't there, in the last little bit. So I'm really excited because I really like it. I'm really pumped to put this on my face. This little guy I tried out in that video as well. Pretty Vulgar liner. I love the packaging. Pretty Vulgar products are so cute. Their packaging is so cute. I just love this. This looks like there's a ton. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see in there really, but there looks like there's a ton of product in there. I really liked this. When I was putting it on, I felt like it wasn't super black, but then like it was weird. Like as I wore it, I ended up really liking it. I used it with the brush that came with this that we'll get to in just a minute. But how much does this retail for? This is $24. I think that for how much product you get, and it is a really good cream liner. I didn't have any transfer. As you guys can see, I have mostly hooded lids. So sometimes I will get transfer from my winged liner to my brow bone, but not with the Physicians Formula, but like sometimes I have had that in the past. But this one, no, I didn't. So I really, for this packaging alone, I'm in love with it. So excited about this guy. I did really like it. And then this brush pack, it's all open because obviously I used one of the brushes out in that tutorial. This is the Aesthetica Trio. You get a angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tipped eyeliner brush. So, oh, it is I was thinking it was like a brow brush. Let me take these out. So this is the one that I used with the pretty vulgar liner, and I really liked it. I like how fine tipped this little guy is. It comes with a spoolie, which I don't think you guys really need to see, but I'm always stoked to have spoolies for my brows. And then here is an angled tipped one that they're saying you can use for liner as well. That is going to be a pretty bold wing, but I like a bold wing, so I'm cool with it. So I'm just going to take all of these little boogers out. So excited about that. Those three retail for $45. It's crazy. Crazy. They don't feel like the most fancy brushes in the world, but they look really nice, so I'll take it. So this is the next thing. This is another brush from Aesthetica. Hopefully I'm saying that right. This is the P12. Sky retails for $27. Oh, okay. This one looks really soft. It feels really soft. So this is the P12 face brush, $27. So this feels really soft. I think I would use this for like maybe blush or like setting the under eye or just blending out, maybe bronzer. Use this for bronzer. So this is a nice brush. This does really feel soft. I would never pay $27 for a brush personally, unless it was like life-changing. So I'd have to like know that it was going to be life-changing, I guess, or see how it's going to be life-changing. So that's what I love about Boxycharm is you get products that you normally wouldn't purchase. I love when I get expensive products that I normally wouldn't purchase because it's like free in a way, because you pay $21 for the box and you get so many extra products. By the way, if you guys are interested in joining Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link down below. Again, it's an affiliate link, so use it if you want to. No pressure. So, normally, we only get 5. It's normally like 5 products. 5 full-size products. The products are always full-size. This month, we got 6. Really, I mean, we got 8 if you count each individual brush. The last thing is this lip gloss. This retails for only $10 though. It's by Beauty Creator. This says cruelty-free. It says matte lip gloss, which I always think is funny when stuff is like matte lip gloss. But so this is the color. It's in Kiss Me. So let's swatch this guy. It's a really pretty color. It's like a rose magenta. So it's like kind of a red. It's kind of a pink. It's hard to tell. Oh, look at that. That's weird because it's like, it's glossy, but it's matte. It smells pretty good. It smells kind of fruity. It's a really pretty shade. I don't know if I could rock it right now with this hair because it's so similar, but I'm feeling that color. I'm feeling that color. All right, love, so that is everything that came in this month's Boxycharm box. Let me know what your favorite thing was. I think I'm most excited for the liner and the blurring primer. I think I'm most excited for these. I do want to try that highlighter and that contour palette, but I might just gift it again because I feel like someone would love it more than I would. Again, I believe that affiliate link is down below if you want to check it out. It just lets them know that I sent you. All right, loves, I think that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm what? My cats are in here. I'm sorry, guys. So if you hear crazy noises, they're knocking stuff over per usual. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. So there's no way to hold this without showing you my hideous nails, is there? I'm the worst swatcher ever. Hold up, but I love pure all of the products that I've tried from Coquette. All of the words. All the, oh my gosh, I can't speak. Sweet. Retails, oh my gosh, where is my brain? My brain is not here. So it's a liquid lip gloss. I can't speak it all today, guys, so just like bear with me.